Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to check and repair system files in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To check and repair system files in Windows, you can use two powerful built-in tools, System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM. Here's how. Step 1. Run DISM. DISM repairs the Windows image, which is essential for SFC to work properly. Press Windows key +S, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. Check the health, optional. Repair the image, if issues are found. This process may take some time. Ensure you have an active internet connection. Step 2. Run SFC. SFC scans and repairs corrupted or missing system files. In the same command prompt window, type. Press Enter and wait for the scan to complete. It will automatically repair any issues it finds. Interpreting results. If no issues are found, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. If issues are repaired, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. If some issues couldn't be fixed, you may need to run the commands again or perform a system restore. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.